Hi, I'm Tevin, web design expert at The Design.
And I'm Heather, internet marketing expert at The Design. We're here for another installment of Ask a Web Design Expert, and today we're going to talk about some predictions for 2012.
Yes, you'll want to start making your zombie apocalypse plans right now.
I was thinking we focus on a different set of 2012 predictions, like trends in web design.
That works too. Zombies aren't vegetarian, so I'd rather stay away from that topic.
Okay. So Tevin, one of the first web design predictions you've made is that responsive web design will grow. Can you tell our audience what responsive web design is?
Responsive web design is the concept of building flexible websites that can adapt to a variety of devices, browsers, screen sizes, and resolutions.
Great. So why do you believe this design concept will grow in 2012?
Ethan Marcotte, a web designer and developer, wrote about responsive web design in 2010 for A List Apart, and the web design community has embraced it as a forward-thinking method for constructing websites that will be equally accessible and useful when viewed on a variety of devices, such as mobile phones and laptops.
Okay. So the second prediction you made is that web typography will grow. Can you elaborate on that?
The CSS3 at font face rule allows us to take advantage of a wide variety of fonts available to us on the web. No longer are web designers limited to web-state fonts that are commonly found on different computers, but we now have access to fonts, both free and paid, from a number of sources.
Great. What are some of those sources?
Google has a directory called Google Web Fonts that contains hundreds of free fonts. And there are multiple services such as Typekit that offer both free and paid plans that allow you to use thousands of fonts that couldn't be widely used on the web previously.
So now the third and last web design prediction you've made for 2012 is that HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript frameworks will grow while Flash will continue its decline.
The development of HTML5 and CSS3 has been going on for years, and increased browser support for those standards will mean increased implementation of them by web designers and developers. JavaScript frameworks and libraries, such as Modernizer, will see a continued rise in development and use to allow for HTML5 and CSS3 functionality to work in browsers that might not support it natively.
Okay, great. Thank you, Tevin, and thank you all for watching. Let us know what your 2012 predictions are. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/thedesign, or give one of our web design experts a call at
919-341-8901.